Hello everyone, this is Minoo at Anglo-Link. Welcome to lesson 2 in my series called EZEE, which stands for Easy to Zap English Errors. As you know from lesson 1, this series is all about discovering and deleting some common mistakes from your English, with one purpose: for you to become more relaxed and confident to use English. For me, there are two important aspects to confidence. The first one is not getting embarrassed when we make a mistake, because mistakes are a natural part of learning. And the second one is being able to detect and correct our own mistakes, because when we can do that, we begin to see and feel our progress. So my goal in this series is not just to make you aware of common mistakes, but mainly to show you how to correct them yourself. It is important that you understand where your mistakes come from and develop the ability to self-correct. If you just get the corrections without understanding why and remain confused, the mistakes will usually not go away. Okay, with that in mind, let's now look at two words that can easily be confused with each other. These are the words time and times. Let's make sure you understand the difference between them and can use them correctly. Easy to Zap English Errors, Lesson 2. Sometime, sometime, or sometimes. Okay, let's start with the word time. When time refers to what you measure with the moving hands of a clock, it is an uncountable noun and you must not add an s to it. Keep it singular. Time. For example, there's very little time left. They spend some time in the park. She doesn't have any time. It didn't take much time to tidy up my room. Okay, now let's look at times with S. When time refers to the occasion of a certain experience, it is a countable noun, and you can add an s to it. For example, he repeated his question a few times. The phone only rang 2 times. A better word for 2 times is twice. The phone only rang twice. Some times of the day are better for me than others. I've seen this movie many times. Now, as a countable noun, time can also be singular and come after one, a, or an. For example, this has only happened one time before. A better expression to replace one time is once. This has only happened once before. Is this a bad time for a chat? We had an amazing time yesterday. All right, now let's look at sometimes and sometime. Sometimes, with the s and spelled as one word, is an adverb of frequency, which is a synonym for occasionally, from time to time. For example, I sometimes chat with my neighbor. Sometime, without the s, also spelled as one word, is also an adverb, but with a completely different meaning. It means at an unknown time. For example, I chatted with my neighbor sometime last week. I don't remember when. There's also the expression anytime, which means whenever, doesn't matter when. For example, pop in to see me anytime you want. Okay. Let's have a quick summary before we do some exercises. So, firstly, as an uncountable noun, time refers to what a clock measures. For example, she doesn't have much time. But as a countable noun, time refers to an occasion, and it can be plural or singular. I've seen this movie many times. Is this a bad time for a chat? Thirdly, sometimes is an adverb of frequency, which means occasionally. I sometimes chat with my neighbor. But sometime means at an unknown time. I chatted with my neighbor sometime last week. And finally, anytime means whenever. Pop in to see me anytime you want. Right? That's the end of the lesson. Let's do some exercises. I'd like you to choose between the uncountable time or the countable time or times to complete each sentence. For example, how much do you need? We're talking about the passage of time, what the clock measures, so it's the uncountable time. How much time do you need? Okay, your turn, number 1. The 60s were very interesting. We're talking about occasions, therefore, times. The 60s were very interesting times. Number 2. Is this a good to talk? Is this a good occasion to talk? Is this a good time to talk? The countable time. Number 3. How flies? We're talking about the passage of time, so it's how time flies. Number 4. My watch stops working. We're looking for the one word that means occasionally. My watch sometimes stops working. Number 5. I'll call you tomorrow. I'll call you at an unknown time, and I'll call you sometime tomorrow. Number 6. You're spending too little with your kids. This is the uncountable clock time. You're spending too little time with your kids. Number 7. How many have you been to Chile? How many times have you been to Chile? On how many occasions? Number 8. Feel free to send me an email anytime, whenever, doesn't matter when. Number 9. Hurry up, we're running out of the clock time. And finally, there was when I could stay up all night. We need the countable occasion time. There was a time when I could stay up all night. Okay, that's the end of lesson 2. I hope the difference is now clear to you. If you were mixing up the two ideas of time, please repeat the exercise several times until you have no hesitation in choosing the right one. Please also remember to subscribe to my channel and allow notifications so you know when my next EZEE lesson is available. Thank you very much for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next lesson. Happy studies to each and every one of you, and goodbye for now.